This is how to use our website online booking module. There's two types of customers, existing customers or non-existing customers. I'm going to do an existing customer first. Click, when the call comes in, you click book online. Click scheduled repairs always. Don't select anything down below. Either if it's a plumbing issue or if you have a drain or blocked main line issue, whatever you want to pick there. Click on plumbing, but always go down to other. I understand. Skip this. And here is where the details of the job can be typed in. Continue. If this is an existing customer, say yes. And then hopefully they'll put in their phone number that they have been using that's logged into our computer. If in fact this is the number we have in our computer and they're an existing customer, when I say continue, it's going to show their address that's already in the system. Just say which address is yours. It's Sisson Road. Say OK. Then you pick first available. Continue. Leave it set for text and book now. Click and the job will be closed. If they typed in a different phone number, then they're not going to show up as an existing customer. And you'll have to go through the next process that I'm going to show you. So if a customer calls that's not an existing customer, this is how this will work. Book online, click, always push schedule repairs, either plumbing or drain. Always do other. I understand. Skip. Type in the details of the problem. Continue. Now this is not someone who's called us, first-time customer. Say no. Continue. So you're going to have to type in the first name, the last name, type in a phone number, say continue. And it's going to ask you for their details, zip code, and you're going to have to do their street address. I typed in the street address. It's going to ask me, how would you like to schedule this repair? Always click first available on every job. It's always first available. Don't pick preferred time. We want to leave that up to us. Just let it default to text and book now, and you're done.